Tired of the mess and headache of dust removal and cleanup in your shop? So are we. That's why we developed the Bullet JET Cyclonic Separator. Simply latch the bin, check the hoses, flip on your dust collector, and get to work. The Red Bullet Cyclone Separator installs in line between your woodworking machine and dust collector and improves airflow by deflecting chips and large debris downward to the bin. This innovation reduces damage and obstruction to your collection hoses, impellers, and filters by properly separating material. Never worry about losing pressure again. And most importantly, no more mess. The Bullet easily attaches to your bin and is compatible with most lids. Eliminate the headache. Eliminate the mess. Get the Bullet. Visit jettools.com to learn more and locate a dealer near you.